Called Jennifer Leahy. I'm working for Adult Community Education Aotearoa, Aotearoa today, and facilitating a workshop called Successfully Teaching Adults. Yeah, the purpose is for people to learn some of the skills about how best to teach adults. So what I'm offering people is the opportunity to learn about the best approaches to engaging adults in their learning. I'm involving people in a wide range of interactive activities, so hopefully they learn as best as possible.
Working with Jennifer, great inspiration. I think I mentioned earlier, she spent 15 minutes on one of our webinars with our library partners earlier on this year with our digital wellbeing courses, and people came away from that webinar thinking that was awesome. They really enjoyed listening to what she had to say and were quite inspired by it. I was excited to get here today just to see what Jennifer was all about.
I love learning, I love teaching, and I love working with adults who are keen to improve. So learning those key concepts of whanaungatanga, so the relationships with others, manaakitanga, looking after people that they're working with, and rangatiratanga, so that's learner-centred, so that they feel comfortable in their learning, they feel looked after, they feel they have a connection with the person who's teaching them. The more likely it is that they'll feel better about learning and learn and contribute to society. And more importantly for me too, they can be role models for their whānau, that if they find learning successful, then they can share that with other members of their whānau in the future.
Teaching adults is a big part of my role around Southland. What we are doing to help other people learn is a really important part of the communities around New Zealand. And to see the passion that other people here have helps drive home what we're doing and the importance of that.
The thing I'm noticing most here today has been the engagement and the physical ability to get up and go and do activities together, which really allows us to stop thinking about the activity we're doing and just engage in the process. So I feel really engaged, and I feel looking around that these people who haven't actually met each other much before at all are really engaged in the process also. And what more can you ask for? That's pretty cool. Zoom's cool, but you know, it's pretty good to meet people face to face and go away and kind of feel like you met that person.
One of the big takeaways for me today is just meeting everybody. I like making connections and talking about what other people are doing in their roles.
Yeah, well, if ever you have the opportunity to work with adults and you want to learn some new techniques, want to learn some ideas around theory and principles, and want to understand some best practice around teaching adults, then this is the workshop for you. So I'm really grateful for Aotearoa to have that opportunity to do this.